So they recently sent over this, let's see here, this mag charger for the GMC. They can use it in the probably other models too, Tahoe, I don't know, but they have it for just about every vehicle out there. All right, let's check out what they have inside the package. So they got a wiring harness you tie into, some screws, the actual mag charger itself, and yeah, that's about it. So basically what this does is I already have a wireless charger in here, but it sucks, man. These wireless chargers, they charge slow. Slow. So I currently have a charger here, right? You just drop your phone in there and it charges for you or whatever, right? But I'm gonna keep this charger, but I'm also gonna add a charger here so I can set my phone there and charge it. And that's where this is gonna come into play. All right. It's gonna go in there just like that. And when we're done, we'll have a wireless charger for the console, or the armrest, I should say. So yeah. If you guys are interested in this, at the end I'll also mention it. Bestautoparts.com. All right. The part number for this is 2019 full kit, and it's for a wireless charger for your actual armrest in your vehicle. All right, for the GMC anyway. They have different makes, models, and years over there, so just head over there to boostautoparts.com. Sorry, and look up your year, make, and model, and you can get one of these. All right, let's get this thing installed. So the tools you're gonna need for this, you're gonna need a step bit, or just a 1/2-inch drill bit, a screw gun, Phillips T15, and some trim removal tools. I got a couple other things here, screwdriver, just to pry stuff apart. So yeah, let's get this taken apart and get this installed. Let's get this out. Oh, come on, man. Should just pop out. Snaps out. Yep. And then pops out like this. Should be a screw right there. I think this just pops off. Careful. One of my clips came out. So now I need to pop this out. I don't think that has to come out. Pops out like that. And then that's your fusible link right there. I believe. Oops. Don't want to push that in yet. Slide that up. Pop that in, lock it. This is going to go back into here like so. Okay. Let's take this stuff here, over there. Okay. Sure. I have enough slack here. this out the way. Put this back in here now. Make sure we got enough slack for our charger. You can always tuck that back down in there, which you don't need. So it's lined up there. It's lined up there. Okay. I'll just leave that out for now. Move up front and get this apart. Everything I need. Now, pop this off. So, oh, come on, man. Pops out. Okay, set that out the way, and we should be able to take this out. Get there. All right, so now I'm gonna drill a hole. Now you just want to drill a hole. Just open that up a little bit. That'll work. So now you just take your cable, run that through like so. Then insert the trim piece. Bada bing, bing, bing. Okay. All right. So now take the 4 screws they gave us. Self tappers. And these just go into the actual charger. Hold the back of it at the same time. I would probably use a screwdriver if you're worried about stripping these out with a screw gun. So now we have our latch, right? Screws for this. And one more. Now you just take your cup holder, right? Run your wire through here. Like so. Okay. Remember, whatever slack you got left over, you can always tuck that back down inside. Okay. Set this down, take your cup holder. Just set it in place. Don't screw it down yet. Okay, so this is where the cable is going to come through. So what you're going to want to do is grab your drill. Get the cable out of the way. Okay, now let's get your hole drilled. Run that through. Like so. Okay, snap that back in. Now you can tighten that all back up down there on the back side when we're done. That snaps in. Again, you can pop this back out and you can stuff that cable that you're not using back down in there, out of the way, right? So you got plenty of slack. Now I'm just gonna go back here, tighten all this stuff up, and then see how this charger works. Let me get in the back right quick. So this just snaps back in place, right? T15 done. All good to go. 22221. Put this back in place, and that's it, man. Grab my phone, try this charger out. This piece back in. Okay, so I got this thing installed. It took all of about 15 minutes to put this thing in here, 20. And yeah, it just boom, it runs from your accessories in the back here, plug it into your cigarette lighter. So you just, your vehicle doesn't have to be on to use this. It's on right now because I just wanted to show you this charger here. This is the charger that comes with the vehicle, and it's substantially slower than this one, so they say. So I have a wireless charger here now, and now I have a wireless charger here. So when it's charging, you should get a blue light indication that it's charging, and you're good to go. So now everybody doesn't have to worry about plugging their phone in and doing all that stuff. You'll have 2 chargers when my wife's in here, or whoever, friends, family. They don't have to worry about plugging their phone in. So if you guys are interested in this charger, you can go over to boostautoparts.com, put in the year, make, and model of your vehicle, and they'll send one out to you. It takes, like I said, it takes about 15-20 minutes to install, and I like it so far. So let's see what happens, see how it holds up to the test of time. If you guys like these videos, man, make sure you like, subscribe, and follow. And yeah, it's time to go watch some football, and I'm on to the next one. Thanks for watching.